Hey, what's up, everyone? Just wanted to give you some quick feedback on Raphael's course. It truly is genius. I mean, it's in the name. He's broken down the content and the information very simply. I've gone through other courses, I've gone through other programs, and they're not as detailed and they're not as well thought out and just down to the point. He really does make it truly easy. If anybody has a thought about Forex trading and wants to consider it, I definitely recommend jumping into this course. It is really down to earth. It is very basic. I do recommend, of course, starting with a demo account, practicing your skills, and then, when you're comfortable, then you're, ready for real money. My goals in the next 5 years is really to earn a stable income through Forex trading. And, as simple as $100 a day really goes a long way. We're looking at, was that $500, $2,500 a month, right? That's part-time income right there. In some cases, that's almost full-time income for some individuals. So $100 a day, $2,500 a month, right? It goes a long way. You're looking at about $30,000 a year, and that's just to supplement income. Why not? If you can spend a few minutes or a few hours a day, morning and night, analyzing markets and placing trades and letting them go, and if you have the mindset, and that's actually one of the coolest things is he has a whole mindset mastery section on this. I think it will go a long way. I definitely think this course is going to help me there. Raphael's always up to answer questions. I've messaged him I don't know how many times so far, and he's always there. He's always helpful, and he's always encouraging. And so now it's just a matter of, get through the content, get through the practice, get comfortable. It'll take some time. Everyone's going to be different, but you'll get there. And I know I will as well. So thank you, Raphael. Thank you to this Genius Trading course. And I'm truly happy that I'm one of the winners to get into the course, and I'm actually quite surprised. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, take care, enjoy. Why do I do this? I do it for her. Say hi.
Hi.
That's why I do this. Take care.